In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Salesforce Knowledge. Salesforce Knowledge is a powerful tool that allows you to manage your company's informational assets and helps improve customer service and support. Today, we're going to walk through the setup process and make sure you have everything configured properly to get the most out of this feature. To start, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. Clicking this will open up a menu where you'll select Setup, and from there, look for Advanced Setup. This is where we'll begin configuring the knowledge-based settings. Now direct your attention to the Quick Find box located on your setup page. In this box, simply type in Knowledge Settings. This will bring up the options we need for the rest of our configuration process. Once you see the knowledge settings in your results, go ahead and click on it, then select the Edit button. This will enable you to make the necessary changes to tailor Salesforce Knowledge to your organization's needs. One of the first settings you'll want to ensure is activated under General Settings is the option allowing users to create and edit articles from the Articles tab. Note that this feature is available only in Salesforce Classic, so it's particularly important if you're using that version. Next, you'll want to activate the Validation Status field. This field plays a vital role as it helps keep track of article effectiveness and ensures they meet certain criteria before being published or updated. Following that, there's the option to allow users to add external multimedia content to HTML in the standard editor. Again, this is a feature specific to Salesforce Classic, which can enhance the richness of your articles significantly. Once that's done, you'll enable Salesforce Lightning Knowledge if your organization is using Salesforce Lightning. This modern setup allows more flexibility and access to newer features not available in the Classic version. After enabling these key functionalities, you'll be presented with options for article summaries. Select your preferred option based on what best suits your organization's requirements. Now, you'll want to add the available case fields. These fields will provide additional context and are crucial for linking knowledge with cases in Salesforce, boosting efficiency for your customer support team. Proceed to set up the languages your articles will support. This is especially important if your organization operates in multiple regions speaking different languages, as it allows for a broader reach and more inclusive service. Lastly, configure your case settings and sharing settings to align with your company's privacy and accessibility needs. These settings control who can see and interact with the articles, ensuring that only the right personnel have the appropriate level of access. Once you've completed these steps, simply click Done to save your settings. And there you have it. You've just set up Salesforce Knowledge, putting your company on track for smarter data management and improved customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides on optimizing your Salesforce experience.